Well, we are going to talk about the parts of a plant today. Yesterday we did a little discussion on living and non-living things. And so today we're going to talk about a plant, as the plant is a living thing, and the parts of it. We're going to do a flower. So I have my big example of a flower here. This part is obviously the flower, right? This long piece right here is called the stem. So that's the stem. The leaves are these parts that stick out. And leaves on flowers all look different. There's not a leaf that, one leaf doesn't look the same as another on a different plant. So there's the leaves. And now my picture of my example, the roots would be down underneath inside the pot in the ground. And so I printed off a picture of roots to show you. So here's an example of what roots look like. So you can see. They make me think of tangly pieces of hair. So I thought it would be fun if we dissected a real flower. So we're going to kind of take apart my pretty yellow carnation here. So this part obviously is the flower. We've got the stem. You can see that there, that long piece. These are the leaves. So flowers can have lots of different, lots of leaves on them. Let me pull this leaf off. There you go. Here's a leaf. Because my plant wasn't planted in the ground originally, I bought it in a bucket at the grocery store. It doesn't have the roots, but if it were planted in the ground, it would have the roots on it, but it doesn't. And then some plants can do that. They don't need the roots. So this one is like that. And these are the petals on the flower. You can kind of look at those. There you go, the petals. Oh, dropping petals. So the petals. I knew I showed you the leaves. The stem is right here. So there you go. That is the parts of the flower. So the flower, the leaves, the stem, and then obviously if it were planted in the ground, the roots would be there. So I hope you had fun kind of looking at my flower and talking about the parts of the flower.